Oh, it's raining outside. My God. I love it. And I'm with my besties, my plants. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. And this is SK. Some of you know me as SK the professional. Some of you know me as SK the friend. Some of you know me SK as that girl who's always running into some problem or the other. Many of you know me as this SK who comes with some video or the other every other week. So today's video, I'm going to give you a small peek into who is this SK, right? And it's obviously rooted in my childhood and a question that was thrown at me many times in my childhood और वो सवाल था है हिम्मत. So today we are going to talk about who is this SK and how this question Hai Himmat transformed me to who I am. So if you're hearing this noise of rain in the background, forgive me, but I'm loving it because I'm in my favorite place and with my favorite plants for company. So when we were children, every summer vacation used to be spent in my grandparents' home in the village in Punjab. And obviously, that time there was no television, there was no other source of entertainment, but it just used to be my grandparents' stories at night. हम लोग छत पे सोते थे under the bright stars, and my grandfather would be, you know, we would put him in the middle and sleep on either side, and we would say, okay, Bapuji, story sunao. And often he would end up telling us stories about Sikh valor, courage, how people fought, what did our gurus do, the kind of sacrifices they made. And at the end of every story, he would say, देखो गुरुओं ने इतनी हिम्मत दिखाई, देखो सिखों ने ऐसे किया, so है हिम्मत? And we would always be too sleepy to answer that question and go off to sleep. Then what happened? We grew up. I think I was about 14 years old in I think 8th standard. And that year my father also got his leave. By the way, he is an officer of the Indian Army. So he also got leave around the same time that we had our summer holidays, and he decided to travel with us. और मैं उन दिनों की बात कर रही हूँ जब हम लोग ट्रेन में ट्रैवल किया करते थे और सेकेंड एसी में ट्रैवल करना यूज्ड टू बी द बिगेस्ट लग्जरी. So we were traveling in the train from Calcutta to Punjab, and it's a 40 hours journey crossing from one side of the country to the other. हमें क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है 40 hours हो या कितने भी. It was holiday and it was good fun. So one of the stations, my father, he got down to buy us some tea and snacks. And when he was getting onto the train had slowly started to move. So I was at the door because I got panicked. I, being the eldest, used to be considered the most responsible. So I ran to the door of the coach to see where's my dad and is he going to miss the train. And I saw him running with the snacks, and he looked at me and gave me the signal ki come down, I got this. And he ran and he shoved that packet of snacks towards me, and he held on to the door to climb up. So while he was trying to climb in, these 3-4 rowdy youngsters, they also, I think they came in late and they almost missed the train, so they wanted to catch the train as well. And they tried to push my dad, and obviously he was at the time in the prime of his youth and an infantry soldier, so how dare anybody do that. He shoved one guy, the three of them got aggressive, and in the process, while my father did get onto the train, he got a hit on his nose and his nose started to bleed and there was blood on his kurta. You cannot imagine मुझे क्या हुआ होगा उस टाइम पर to see my hero, my dad, getting pushed like this and seeing blood coming out from my dad's nose. It just blew my top. And then the only two things that came to my head was somebody has hurt my dad, he's bleeding. And then my grandfather's words, hey Himmat. And I looked at him, I told him, Dad, why don't you go and sit? And I pulled the chain because that's the only thing I knew. Okay, and I just needed to do something, and it was just echoing in my head. These guys hurt my dad, hey Himmat. These guys hit my dad, hey Himmat. It became such a crescendo that I just pulled the chain. I pulled the chain. These guys knew very little of what's happening. इनको तो कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं था कि ये एक छोटी सी लड़की कुछ ऐसा कर भी सकती. वो जाके एक सीट पर किसी को हटाया और तीनों बैठ गए और अपनी गप्पों में मगन हो गए. So obviously when I pulled the chain, the train which was rolling out of the station stopped, and people came running, the TT came running, everybody gathered around. What happened? What happened? And at that time, it was time to own up and speak up. And there was one part of me which was saying, oh my God, there are these three guys and my dad is already hurt. If I speak up, we might end up getting more hurt. I have younger siblings and my mother is there too. And there was another part of me which kept saying, hey Himmat, hey Himmat. And finally, I had an answer to that question. I stood up from my seat, walked to the TT and said, yes, hey Himmat. I pulled the chain because those buggers sitting there, they hit my dad, he's bleeding. And since that day, there was a change inside of me. Before that, I was that lost girl with, 1 second, there's a train passing by. So we'll just let it pass. I'm actually getting goosebumps thinking about that incident on the train. It can still move me to that peak of emotion, you know. So since that day, that tiny little girl who was always all wide-eyed, people used to say, "Aapki beti gungi hai kya?" Because I would hardly ever speak, and I never enjoyed limelight. I was very happy living in oblivion in my own dream world with my books and the characters in the book and a few friends, and that's about it. And that day, something changed. Thereafter, so many instances came in my life, whether it was in college, standing up against someone, you know, trying to take a bribe, whether it was speaking up in a bus when someone's trying to sexually assault you and embarrass you simply because you're a girl and they think they have the license to do so, or it was at the workplace seeing something that you're not okay with, it's not in line with what you believe in. Always when I'm faced with a situation, that question comes to my mind, hey Himmat. And thankfully till date I'm proud to say always the answer is yes, hey Himmat. And then that SK comes out and I'm able to speak up and be proud of myself that I stand up for what I believe in. Because हम लोग देखो movies में बहुत देखते हैं. In every movie where there's a superhero, where there's a hero or there's a heroine, or they stand up against something that is wrong, we always feel motivated. We clap for them. We say, oh wow. But when it comes to us in real life, most of us, we cow down. We bugger down. हम ये सोचते हैं अरे यार वो मूवी थी, ये रियलिटी है. वो तो पिक्चर थी, अरे वो तो रियल थोड़ी ही था. ये रियलिटी है, ये ज़िंदगी है. I would say sorry. The picture or the movie is based on reality. If looking at those celluloid characters makes you feel motivated, hold on to that. Hang on to that and let it be that strength in your gut that hey Himmat ka jawab, yes. And see how amazing you will feel, how proud you will feel, and how your self-esteem and self-worth will go up. You'll start loving yourself a little more, you'll walk a little taller, you'll feel a little more in love with your own self. So it's not necessary that all these heroism is only in the movies or the books. Life does throw these situations at us in real life as well, but that's when we always give a no to that question. Hey Himmat, nahi yaar, let somebody else bell the cat, let somebody else be the hero. I'm okay to just stay in the background. I don't want to be the hero. We make that choice, right? And then we have no right to blame others. So, this is a small peek into who is SK and what makes SK tick. It is that this question, every time I'm stuck in a situation where I got to make a choice, that my Bapuji's voice comes to my head, hey Himmat, and somewhere some voice inside me says yes, and then I just can't stop myself. So I hope this video resonates with you, somewhere it connects with you, somewhere it prompts you to say yes to that question when it comes to your being as well. Try saying yes, hey Himmat once and see how powerful you feel. If you like this, don't forget to hit on the like button, share with others around you, and do subscribe to my channel if not already done. Stay inspired because I post a video every week only with the aim that somewhere someone will listen to these videos and may be going through a low moment and feel that spark of inspiration, that hope and that strength to stand up and say yes, hey Himmat, and I'm going to give it yet another shot. So with that, this video is a wrap. You take care, keep watching my channel, keep sharing with others. Let me help me to spread the vibes of inspiration to more and more people. Until we meet again next week with yet another video, this is SK signing up. Adios and bye bye.